Okay, hello. On to week three, on to the halfway point. Learning Unit 3 in our cloud computing capstone experience. So our deliverable for this learning unit is to share whatever your proof of concept is going to be or prototype. How are you going to implement that? Um, so when you're offering your discussion question response, make sure you describe what you've built, what technologies have been implemented, as I listed before, some lessons that you've learned, obstacles encountered, and what are your planned improvements. That's the key. So that's the whole idea of developing a prototype. And yes, I've done this many times, and some of my prototypes have not materialized into anything tangible in industry, but I've been a part of app development and cloud migration. So maybe you can define a better way to migrate from an on-prem to a cloud scenario as far as databases. And data centers are very, very important. They're looking into this. All right. And as far as the assignment, let me just briefly review this. You're going to, and once again, do not separate between the discussion response and the assignment itself. So essentially, even if it's conceptually, I do want you to show what your working prototype would look like. Once again, there's not a lot of time, but you can put together something that can be a conceptual design. Um, so that includes a verification of your design assumptions. Some you have to demonstrate authentication, authorization, encryption, all of that, even logging. That's the security portion of it, which is very important. Very important. If you do actually have a prototype that you can showcase, or a website or whatever, make sure you submit screenshots, but primarily I'm looking for your status report. What have you done? How is it valuable for a cloud computing scenario? As long as you represent a transference of knowledge into something that can be tangibly used for a cloud computing scenario, I will be happy. So, and you're moving along, you're getting things done. So that's what I'm looking for. So continue to do that and you will be fine. So thank you all. We're almost getting through the end, so keep on working.